Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We're in Cape Coral, Florida today, here with the team members from the boathouse, out testing a boat. And you might be thinking to yourself, you know, I'd kind of like to be a boater, but I'm not. I'm stuck up here on this hard stuff called land. Well, if you're worried about your skills, if you're worried about how to do it, we're here to help you do that. And we're going to film a series called Boating 101 that will take you through the entire process. And then we're going to do a secondary series called Trailering 101. So if you're going to keep it on the trailer, we'll teach you how to do that. But through the course of this series, we're going to show you how to operate a boat, how to leave the dock, how to bring it back to the dock, the steps in between, how to tie it, what the ownership of a boat means, and the care that you have to give to the boat to make sure it gives you lots of good use. So for you folks that may not be as versed as others, this series is for you. Welcome to the Boathouse.